another video of दिल की बात तनी के साथ. My name is Tanishka and as usual आज हम और आप मिलकर करेंगे कुछ दिल की बातें. So you know guys, आज मुझे actually इस वीडियो को बनाने का कोई motivation नहीं था. For some reason I was not able to get a topic at all. And in general पता नहीं मन नहीं था. You know, sometimes when things are not working out, like even this channel, like इतने अच्छे views and subscribers नहीं है. Like you know, you can see it, right? So it gets a little demotivating. दिल नहीं करता. And I'm like, you know, sometimes you start questioning that why am I doing this? What is the purpose? You know, you forget the higher goal and you start cribbing about the smaller obstacles. It's quite normal. It's human nature. इसलिए मेरा भी same हालत होया था. And because of that, मेरा बिल्कुल ही mood नहीं था. I was like this close to not making this video. And you know, I was really actually trying पूरा दिन कि मेरे को कोई तो motivation मिले, you know, कहीं से कुछ तो आए कि I get motivated to make this video. I was trying to, you know, YouTube stuff, Google stuff in general. But कुछ मिला नहीं मेरे को ज़्यादा substantial. And that's when I realized one thing that, you know, we are actually so dependent on other platforms, other people to find even something as petty as motivation. Jabki that is so wrong because very honestly, we are doing nothing but wasting our time by actually trying to find motivation somewhere outside. Because nobody apart from yourselves can motivate yourself. Trust me, I've learned this the very, very hard way. That, you know, like I always say, Tani needs Tani, you need you. You won't be able to find motivation anywhere else. I mean, I know sometimes these motivational speakers, I won't name platforms, really give out such inspiring talks ki lagta hai, wow, if they can do it, I can also do it. Yeah, that's okay. But very honestly, that just gives you the kick. When you start doing it, oh, ठीक है, एक दो बार याद करोगे, maybe. But that's just that. That just gives you a kick, a high at that time, you know, कि oh yeah. But final motivation ना आपको अपने अंदर से ही लानी होती है. To do anything, like literally anything. पढ़ाई, work, weight loss, weight gain, anything. And I understand that certain tasks तो मतलब इतने होते हैं कि हम बिल्कुल ही मजबूरी में करते हैं because we just have to. It's not something that we want to do, we have to do it. और उन कामों को करने का motivation तो भाई साहब, I know how bad it is, but what has to be done. And you know, my mom हमेशा कहती है कि the best motivation you get na is when you start seeing results. It's a fact. Once you start seeing results for whatever that you're doing, पढ़ाई हो, body goals हो, work हो, business हो, anything. The moment you start seeing results in your work, you will get motivated to do even better. You will just, that is an अंदर की motivation. वो चाहिए होती है बस. हाँ, the main effort is to get to that result, at least some result. And I'm not saying that immediate big results, no. Small results will also motivate you, but only your results will motivate you. मेरा results, किसी और का results can never motivate you guys. I mean, I don't know, I just realized this today when I was, like I said, trying to find motivation to give a give this video. And then I realized, why not just talk about this, that, yeah, everyone lacks motivation and we're wasting time by trying to find it elsewhere because हमें अपने अंदर से ही लानी होती है. Either we remind ourselves of what the main purpose is, like I did for this, like I said, these YouTube videos, they get very demotivating, you know, like I said, views nahi aate, subscribers nahi badhte. It's not easy to do things in that scenario. The motivation literally dips. But like I said, you have to remind yourself of the higher purpose. You need to remind yourself that bro, कभी ना कभी तो रिजल्ट आएगा, उतना एफर्ट डालना है कि थोड़े से रिजल्ट्स आए एंड देन अपना मोटिवेशन पैदा हो जाएगा. सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, you know, not watching, like looking for motivation. I'm not saying that don't watch motivational speakers or, you know, they're just a waste of time. I'm not saying that. It's not a waste of time. You do get that kick. You get an inspiration from them. You know, not motivation. That's a very wrong term actually. You get inspired and you should be inspired that, okay, maybe, you know, sometimes you feel कि शायद मैं वो नहीं कर सकता. But then you see कि यार इसने भी तो किया तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. But motivation भाई साहब अपने अंदर से ही लानी पड़ती है, like literally अपने अंदर से खोद के, you know, like you have to imagine you're a ground और तुम्हें अपने आप को खोदना है, अंदर से मोटिवेशन लानी है, which is a very hard task. Trust me, आज मैं कैसे यहाँ बैठी हूँ ना मुझे पता है, but ढूंढ लेंगे. I am sure soon नहीं तो कभी ना कभी तो कुछ ना कुछ results तो आएगा ही. And like my mom says, जब results आएगा motivation अपने आप आ जाता है. So yeah, we just need to work towards getting results. Even though they are tiny, like I always believe, you know, smaller results are better than एकदम खबूश. वो जो बड़े रिजल्ट एक टाइम पे आ जाते हैं ना, that is not really sustainable. That's just my point of view. Slow and steady wins this. छोटे छोटे milestones आते हैं, achieve it, get motivated to do better, get a bigger milestone, and that's that. So yeah guys, आज मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने को है नहीं. This is all I wanted to tell you guys, that find motivation in yourself. मुझे बता देना, how do you motivate yourself? Like I said, I always try to remind myself of the bigger picture of, or what was the purpose when I started anything. YouTube was just an example, but yeah, that's my way. And like I said, my most favorite way to find motivation is to get results, because results is equal to motivation. आप अपने तरीके मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना, प्लीज़ बताना गाइस. नाउ गिव मी, like I shouldn't ask for motivation after I said that we should get self motivation. But you can like help me little bit, by like watching these videos and subscribing to the channel. That's all okay. I don't mind. So yes, if you do like the video, then please do like, comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next week with another Dil Ki Baat Tani ke saath on Saturday and a Dance with Tani video on Wednesday. Until then, lots and lots of